talk about my past. Bounce out with that glizzy, cause they know loaded down the crash. So love while I'm here. Don't wait until I'm dead. So love while I'm here. Don't wait until I'm dead.
The streets of sport, no, we don't pay the hitters. Don't get no fuck, they send slugs through the bravest niggas. What single moms have it hard, trying to raise a killer. Felt so much pain, keep taking drugs till I can't remember. It can be your right hand mans, you never know. Dealing with these deaths, keep taking Xans just to cope. Clutching on this chopper, I know you reap what you sow. Got me riding with this Drake like I'm signed to OVO. My hood looking up to me like I'm they only hope. No soldiers left behind, so I keep all my homies close. All you see is blood when them demons get provoked. Quick to leave a nigga on that pavement dying slow.
Now this shit deeper than me, but we can talk about my past.
What's up? Just a quick little update on the E46. I just got this in today. Just picked up this new steering wheel cover. I just got to stitch it on there. I just wanted to mock it up, see what it would look like. I think it's gonna look really good. I got perforated sides and regular leather on top and the German flag. It'll tie in the interior pretty nice. What's up? It's a quick little update on the F30. I just got this gloss black ignition bezel. I'll pop it in. It's from IND. I also got this oil bag for the E46. And just like that, you pop it in. It's got 3M on the back. Fits right in place. Shout out to IND.